Morning students, let us continue with question number 9 of chapter 3 trigonometric function. Cos into 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos into 2 pi plus x into cot into 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot into 2 pi plus x, this is equal to 1. So this is the left hand, students, and we have to prove that is equal to 1. So what I have done, I have taken the left hand side from here. So you see students, cos of 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. 270 plus theta, cos 270 plus theta, it will change into sin theta, means sin x. With the same way here, cos x into, this is cot into 3 pi minus 2 minus x, means cot 270 minus x, that will come as equal to tan x, plus with the same way it will come as equal to cot x. So students, sin x cos x into, we know that tan x, that is sin x upon cos x, and plus cot x, that is cos x upon sin x. So we will take its LCM, students, and while we will take its LCM, it will cancel out, and this is sin square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1, and therefore this is equal to right hand side. Come with question number 10, students. Sin into n plus 1 into x, sin into n plus 2 into x, plus cos into n plus 1 into x, and cos into n plus 2 into x, this is equal to cos x. So we have to solve this left hand side and we have to make it as equal to cos x. So students, left hand side, this is equal to cos n plus 2 into x, cos n plus 2 into x, plus sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x. We know that cos a plus a minus b, that is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. We have to check here, students, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So this will come as equal to cos a minus b, means cos x I have taken outside. We know that cos a minus b, that is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is equal to cos into n plus 1 minus n plus 1 into x. X I have taken outside. So cos, we can multiply them by x. So this is nx, 2x. This is multiplied by x. This is minus nx and minus x. So it will cancel out. 2x minus x, that is equal to x, cos x. And students, if you will see the question here, this is also equal to cos x. So we can say that left hand side as equal to right hand side. Come with question number 11, students. Cos into 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, this is equal to minus under root 2 sin x. So here, students, we are using the C and D rule, and by that rule what we are saying, cos a minus cos b, that is we are taking here the left hand side, that is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b upon 2 and sin a minus b upon 2. Now a we are taking 3 pi by 4 plus x, b we are taking as 3 pi by 4 minus x, and sin into 3 pi by 4x minus 3 pi by 4 here minus x, then students, upon 2 is there. Now what we are doing here, this is minus 2x, we will take their LCM, and by taking their LCM what we are getting, students, this is minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus sin x, minus 2 sin here, because this is 3 pi by 4, we can make the changing, this is pi minus pi by 4 into sin x. This is minus 2 here, we can say, students, because sin pi minus pi by 4, it will lie in the second quadrant where sin is positive, so it will come as sin pi by 4, and sin x, this is equal to minus 2 into sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and here is sin x. So by solving it, it will come as minus 2 sin x, that is equal to, here that will come as equal to root sin we will get, that will come as equal to right hand side. Therefore, students, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 12 is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. This is equal to sine of 2x sine 10x. Now students, here what we are doing, because we know that sine square a minus sine square b, that is equal to sine into a plus b sine a minus b, right? So it will come as sine a plus b, and this is sine a minus b. It will come as sine 10x sine 2x, that is equal to right hand side. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 13 and 14 students, those questions are same. So try to solve these questions yourself, because if the question is similar, then student must try to solve this question themselves. Question number 15 is cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. This is equal to cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. So students, here what I am doing, cot is there, we can make the changing. This is cos x upon sine x, means cos 4x upon sine 4x into 2 sine. Here we are making the use of the formula sine a plus sine b. So it will come as 2 sine, this is 5x plus 3x upon 2 into cos 5x minus 3x upon 2. So students, here is the formula that I have written for you. So this will come as cos 4x upon sine 4x, and here on solving it, it will come as 2 sine 4x cos x. And students, sine 4x will cancel out. This is 2 cos 4x cos x, and we can write it as cot x into sine of 4x plus x minus sine of 4x minus x, or it will come as cot x into 5x minus 3x, that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, once again we can say that the left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Start.
Now here is the question number 16 students. Cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sine 17x minus sine 3x. This is equal to minus sine 2x upon cos 10x. So students, here we will use cos a minus cos b, and here we are making the use of sine a minus sine b. So cos a minus cos b, that is minus 2 sine a plus b upon 2 sine a minus b upon 2. At the place of a, 9x, at the place of b we will write 5x. In the denominator, this is sine a minus sine b, that is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 and sine a minus b upon 2. So students, on solving it, this is 2, this is sine of 7x, sine 6x upon 2 cos 10x and sine 7x. And you know this sine 7x will cut out with the 7x, 2 will cancel out with 2, and we are with now minus sine 2x upon cos x, that is equal to right hand side. So therefore we can say that the left hand side is equal to right hand side.